Hi, I'm Liberty Garber and I'm a sophomore studying crafts at CCAD. So here we're starting off in the jewelry lab. It's technically the small metals lab, but we mostly do jewelry. It's pretty fun. Here we have a bunch of tools. We have these awesome tree stumps that have like anvils and massive vices, which are really cool. And here we have our pickles, which are good for like cleaning, and also we have some other finishing things here, which are really cool. And we have all of these personal benches, which are really cool because every time you come up to work in the jewelry lab, you have your own individual bench and you can use a Fortum, which is like a little hand power tool. They are very dangerous, but we are trusted with them. Use that power wisely. We have a lot of what you need in one area, and I'm about to take you downstairs to show you the ceramics lab. I'm taking you to the studio. Right to this direction that I can't think of is our hot shop where they do all of the glass blowing things. It's fun and it's cool. And then here's the ceramics studio. So this is the ceramics studio, which is pretty rad. We have wheels, so you can wheel throw. We have enough for everybody who wants to do it. You can do coiling, you can wedge your stuff, and they give you clay, and it's all just really cool. But that's like kind of what you're going to be working with as a craft major. We do a lot with ceramics and fiber and glass and jewelry, like really non-traditional materials. And you do it in a way that you make really contemporary things that are so much more than what you'd find at a craft fair. So hey, thanks for following me around and learning more about the craft major. I'll see you soon.